This will be a hypnotic session to build your confidence to make more money than you need. And if you're ready to go into trance now, mentally say to yourself, I am ready. Perfect. Now go ahead and take a deep breath, hold it, and exhale very slowly through your mouth and relax. With every breath, you go deeper and deeper. Take another deep breath, and this time you go way deep into the silence in your body and mind. Now take one more deep breath and hold it, and as you release it slowly, allow yourself to go all the way down, all the way deep, and sleep. That's right, totally relaxing and feeling comfortable. For the next few minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do, and no problems you need to solve. Your conscious mind can simply sit back and observe, while your deeper, subconscious mind steps forward to do the beautiful work of shifting your reality. We begin by entering the alpha state, the baseline of your mind, where all transformation becomes effortless and authentic. Your body feels heavy and comfortably supported by the surface beneath you. All of your attention is now focused on my words, and these words healing the destructive thinking of the past, rewriting a shift to being whole and genius thinking. From here forward, thoughts naturally and effortlessly attract abundance and wealth. That's right. To help you enter a deeper state, I am going to count down from 10 to 1. With each descending number, allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into a healthier level of mind. 10. 9. Feeling yourself going deeper. 8. 7. 6. Deeper and deeper. 5. 4. 3. Deeper and deeper. 2. 1. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind. And as this silence continues to deepen, any thoughts, fears, or worries simply float out of your mind like clouds drifting across the sky. You are completely present, completely relaxed. The time has come to correct the limiting beliefs programmed in your childhood, in the most impressive years before you were 9. Any programs running that loop programs that said, making money is hard, that you don't deserve money, or that wealthy people are bad, we delete now. Delete. Delete. We are now installing the new voice that will loop in your mind of someone healthy and whole, abundant, fit for life. So now, search your mind and body for pictures of past failures and thoughts of not being worthy. Make the pictures black and white. Now turn up the brightness till all the black is gone and there is no picture left. Then make them so small they are just a dot, and now they are deleted. They are gone. In the future, if any pictures come up that are negative, make them black and white, small to a dot, and say delete and snap your finger. Good, that's right. You are now clear of all that old failure, poverty programming. That's right. You have completely released the old version of yourself. It is done. Now, I want you to imagine a volume dial in your mind. This dial controls your level of vibration or frequency. Turn it all the way up to 33. If you need to create a number that high, do it. Imagine the number, even if 10 was max before. You are the creator of your life and story. That's right. You are here, whole and present. You are focused, and your subconscious mind is clean, clear, and wide open, ready for a massive upgrade. That's right. So be here, right now. Listen carefully and imagine in vivid colors. I want you to think of a time when you felt unstoppable, even if it was just for a second. Find it. Search. You have time. Locate the feeling you felt then. Where is that feeling in your body? Is it in your chest, your solar plexus? Feel it again as you see the picture in vivid, bright color. Give it a color. Make it bigger, add more light, and recall what it felt like. What color is that feeling of pure, raw confidence? Now, spin it. Imagine that color spinning. Spin it faster. Now spin it from your head to your feet. Every cell in your body is now vibrating with the frequency of I can. You don't hope, you know. You don't try, you execute. Your confidence is now programmed into every cell and atom of your being, and your frequency is at the master level of 33. Now, shift your focus. Imagine you are standing in the center of a massive field. This field represents your life. From every direction, money is flowing toward you, not because you're chasing it, but because you've become a magnet. Take your time, see it, imagine and pretend. If you need to, it's all the same. Feel it. Feel the money stacking up all around you. More money than you need. Yes, that's right, more than you need. This is a blueprint shift. See your old money ceiling, the limit that you could make. That was an invisible limit on what you thought you could earn or were worth. That was wrong. Let's correct it. Now imagine that ceiling or limit, smash it. Watch it shatter like glass. Have fun smashing it to pieces. That's right, it is done. Notice your frequency is that you are a money magnet. All you know now is the version of yourself who is successful, confident, and naturally attracts money into your life. Money flows to you easily and effortlessly. Opportunities appear from expected and unexpected places. Wealth arrives from multiple directions. The work you do in your business, career, or creative pursuits feels easier and more rewarding. You are paid more for the value you provide because you naturally attract abundance. You are abundant. You have and receive abundance in every area of your life. As abundance grows, you feel huge gratitude for the wealth flowing into your life and always follow the law of giving back and helping others. Love is always the reason for money and for your life. God is love. This is permanently locked in your heart. Now imagine watching a movie of your life. You have all the things you have always wanted. The home, the property, the car, the travel experiences, the freedom, the ways you are able to help and support your family and loved ones. Notice how good it feels to see yourself living that life. Notice how real it feels, how close it feels. Bring that vision closer and closer. Now watch as the screen becomes larger and larger. The image grows sharper, brighter, clearer, almost like high-definition reality. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the feelings in your body. Notice where you are. Bring all of your senses into the experience until you are no longer watching the movie. You are living it. Because all possibilities already exist, and you are simply choosing a new reality to experience. You are the sovereign creator of your life. You have the power you always did. Now you know it. You have changed the channel of the movie you have been watching and stepped into the version of yourself that is wealthy, abundant, and fulfilled. Your new looping program says, making money feels easy. You deserve prosperity. Abundance flows to you naturally and effortlessly. You simply enjoy life, having fun, following your passions, and wealth always continues to find its way to you. Notice how good that feels. The abundance, the freedom, the gratitude. And the more you embody these feelings, the more abundance you attract, the more wealth flows to you. Your new identity. Now take a deep breath in and express gratitude in a way that you will remember forever. And as you exhale, allow all of these positive emotions, beliefs, and feelings to become deeply anchored. Every time you take a deep breath and express gratitude from this moment forward, you reconnect with this abundant state. You live in this beautiful state. You think from it, you feel from it, you act from it. Lock this in. This is your new permanent state. Your subconscious will continually say to you, I am a winner. My confidence brings me everything I need, including more money than I need. I am wealthy. I can take care of those I love and help people in need. I feel better and better than anything imagined. Now it's time to come back, bringing this healed version of yourself. On the count of 3, you'll be back, feeling like a brand new version of yourself. 1. Bringing that frequency 33-degree energy up through your legs, your torso, and into your heart. 2. Feeling the surge of power and the absolute certainty that wealth is yours. 3. Eyes open, wide awake. Boom, go get it. How does your body feel right now compared to before we started?